Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up shared access in DocuSign eSignature. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to delegate signing authority to someone else, perhaps when you're on vacation or managing a heavy workload. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard where you can access all your account features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Preferences. This will take you to your account settings where you can customize various aspects of your DocuSign experience. Once you're in the Preferences section, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find different categories of settings. Click on Shared Access. This is where you can manage who has permission to act on your behalf within DocuSign, making it a powerful tool for collaboration and workflow management. In the upper right corner of the Shared Access page, you'll notice a button that says Share Access with Others. Click on it to begin the process of granting someone access to your account. This opens up a form where you'll configure exactly what permissions you want to grant and for how long. The first thing you'll see is Select Permissions with several options displayed. These permission levels determine what actions the shared user can perform on your behalf. Click the circle beside the permission level that best suits your needs. Whether you need someone to just view documents or have full signing authority, choose carefully based on your requirements. Next, navigate to the Start Date field. Click the date picker that appears and select the date when you want the shared access to begin. This gives you control over exactly when someone can start acting on your behalf, which is helpful for planning ahead. After setting the start date, move to the end date field. Click the date picker here as well and select when you want the shared access to expire. Setting an end date ensures that access doesn't remain open indefinitely, which is important for security purposes. Now it's time to specify who you're sharing access with. Navigate to the Select Users section. In the search bar that appears, type the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Make sure you enter the correct email address, as this is how DocuSign will identify the user. Finally, click Add in the bottom right corner to complete the process. Keep in mind that if you're using a personal or standard account, the Add button may be disabled. Shared access typically requires Business Pro or Enterprise level subscriptions, as it's considered a team collaboration feature that isn't available on all account types. And that's it. You've successfully configured shared access in DocuSign eSignature, allowing someone else to handle documents and signatures on your behalf. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.